Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna plan the classic happy planner for October in this printed layout that I have. So we're gonna do those pages together when we put this back in. I'll just glue these pages basically to that and that, which will help make it thicker because these are very thin, and then I don't have like extra pages to turn. Yeah, so this is the layout that I made in a Word document, and I am going to kind of match it to the spread I did in my bullet journal. So I'm sure you can find that on my page. I think it came out either yesterday or it will come out tomorrow or sometime near this time. So you might have to wait for it to come out, or you might have to go look. I have a whole playlist of bullet journal spreads, so it'll be in that one. But I did coffee, so we're gonna do little coffee stickers here. Alright, yeah, that's where we're gonna leave it. I like this little like line thing that I made with the coffees. It's like an old layout that I used to do a long time ago with the dashboard layout. But so I did it in this one, and it turned out kind of cute. So that's why I had some over here, but I just moved them to the inside, so it was like all coming down. The little coffee cups, and then a couple cute ones over here. I don't know if I like the top and the bottom, but that's how we're gonna leave it. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you have any suggestions, comment them down below. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.